Hello and welcome back to another deep dive episode of Canada Immigration Daily, your go-to source for everything related to immigration updates, policy changes, and real-world insights into settling in the Great White North. Today we're exploring one of the most transformative pathways introduced in Canada's immigration landscape for 2025, the expansion and fast-tracking of permanent residency PR through rural and northern immigration pilots. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss out on breaking updates from IRCC, PNP draws, express entry changes, and more. And hey, share this video with your friends and family who dream of making Canada their new home. Let's get started. Segment 1, the evolution of Canada's immigration landscape. To appreciate this new pathway, let's first understand how Canada's immigration system has evolved and why rural areas are becoming a top priority for IRCC. For decades, immigration to Canada was concentrated in urban centers like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal. However, this created imbalances. Smaller towns and rural communities across provinces like Saskatchewan, Alberta, and Nova Scotia began facing severe labor shortages and aging populations. In response, Canada launched targeted programs to bring in newcomers to these regions. The Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, RNIP, launched as a 5-year experiment in 2019, was one such effort. It aimed to attract skilled workers to smaller communities that were struggling to retain local populations. By 2024, the RNIP had proven successful in communities such as Sudbury, Thunder Bay, and Moose Jaw, with hundreds of families settling and contributing to local economies. Quick reminder, if you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to like this video. It helps the algorithm push this content to more aspiring immigrants like you. Segment 2. What's new in 2025 fast-tracking PR through RNIP? Now let's talk about what's changed in 2025. The Canadian government has officially expanded the RNIP into what many are calling a supercharged fast track for PR. Here are the major changes you need to know. More communities added. The number of participating communities has nearly doubled, extending the program to over 25 towns across provinces including Manitoba, Ontario, British Columbia, and the Atlantic provinces. New entries include places like Miramichi NB, Lethbridge Ave, and North Bayonne, which are actively recruiting newcomers. Accelerated processing times. Under the new fast-track RNIP stream, eligible applicants are seeing PR processing times as low as 4 to 6 months, significantly quicker than other federal streams like Express Entry or PNPS. Simplified requirements. While a job offer is still necessary, the list of eligible occupations has been expanded to include semi-skilled and low-skilled roles, opening doors for cooks, truck drivers, caregivers, and agricultural workers. Language requirements have been relaxed in certain communities to CLB4 or CLB5. Job matching portals and community support. Communities have launched employer portals where candidates can apply directly for jobs that qualify for the RNIP. Settlement agencies have been funded to provide direct assistance with housing, education, and cultural orientation. Spousal and dependent inclusion. Family members can now be included in the same application with guaranteed work and study rights upon arrival. Don't miss future updates like this one. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on notifications. You never know when a new RNIP opening might be announced for your province. Segment 3. How to qualify for the 2025 Rural PR Pathway. So how do you qualify for this new fast-track PR pathway? Here's a breakdown. Basic eligibility criteria. A valid job offer from an employer in a participating rural or northern community. Minimum 1 year of work experience, past 3 years in a relevant occupation. Language proficiency, CLB4 to 6 depending on the role. Proof of funds varies by family size. Intent to live and work in the sponsoring community long term. New 2025 bonus. Community recommendation letters now carry more weight and can replace previous work experience requirements in some cases, especially for roles in healthcare, education, and construction. Like what you're hearing so far. Hit the share button and send this to your WhatsApp or Telegram group. Someone you know might be eligible for this program right now. Segment 4. Real-life case studies. Let's look at some real-life examples from 2025. Case 1. Meet Priya, a healthcare aide from India. She secured a job in Swift Current, Saskatchewan through the community portal. Applied under the new RNIP Fast Track and received PR in just 5 months. Her husband is now working full-time in logistics and their daughters in public school, all integrated seamlessly through community support. Case 2. Ahmed, a truck driver from Egypt. Applied through North Base Pilot. Got his job offer from a local transport company. His PR was processed in under 6 months, and he's now on track to sponsor his brother through the sibling support clause of RNIP 2025. Segment 5. Why Canada is betting big on rural immigration. You might be wondering, why is Canada focusing so heavily on rural communities? Here's why. Labor shortages. These areas face massive workforce gaps. Economic revitalization. Newcomers are revitalizing small-town economies by starting businesses and buying homes. Population decline. Immigration helps stabilize or grow declining towns. This is not just a policy, it's a lifeline for many Canadian communities and an incredible opportunity for immigrants. Segment 6. How to apply step-by-step guide. Let's walk through the process for 2025. Identify your eligible community and check the job list. Apply to jobs via the community's RNIP portal. Once hired, apply for a community recommendation. Submit your PR application under the RNIP stream. Receive your PR and settlement assistance. Pro tip: each community has different quotas and timelines. Always check the official site and subscribe to their newsletters for alerts. We're almost at the final segment, but before we go, drop a comment below telling us which RNIP community you're most interested in and why. Your feedback helps us create more targeted content. Segment 7. Frequently asked questions 2025 RNIP. Q. Can I bring my family? Yes. Spouses and dependents are eligible for open work and study permits. Q. Is RNIP better than express entry? For candidates without high CRS scores, RNIP offers a faster and more accessible route. Q. What happens after I get PR through RNIP? You'll have access to full Canadian permanent resident rights and can later apply for citizenship. Final thoughts. Canada's 2025 immigration strategy marks a significant pivot toward regional development, and the RNIP Fast Track PR pathway is leading that charge. If you've been struggling with CRS scores or are unsure about express entry, this could be your golden ticket to a life in Canada. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives like this. And if you want us to cover specific communities or walkthroughs on how to use the RNIP portal, drop your suggestions below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one only on Canada Immigration Daily.